What do you do when your team is working 7 days a week, morale is crumbling, and burnout is looming? This is a story of a site leader who didn't just fix the symptoms, he rebuilt the system. And it started with a single conversation and a bold decision. Every fix created another failure. The team was constantly reacting without proper information. Part flow processes stopped midstream. Every delay snowballed. Rework piled up. Time disappeared, and the team's confidence eroded with every fire they fought. This was not an operations problem. It was a people problem. Morale dipped. Turnover increased, supervisors were burning out, the leader himself worked 12 hours a day, sometimes 6 and 7 days. How long can you run a race at a sprint speed before your legs just give out? Here's where everything shifted. It started with vision backed by structure. Instead of running faster, we stopped to recalibrate. Strategy deployment and daily management systems became our alignment tool, cascading priorities from executive vision to frontline metrics. A charter linked the site's mission to the broader organizational goals. 30 units every month, 1 unit every day, with 1 rest day each week. Eventually planning for 2 days to accommodate for contingencies. We needed to reclaim over 3,600 minutes. So we broke it down. 1,200 minutes from visual management and standardization, 1,200 minutes from improving information and material flow, and 1,200 minutes for reducing rework. This was no small task, but the first real win, leadership unity. Line leads, supervisors, engineering, quality, planning, aligned under one mission. Absolutely critical. The leader took a bold move by shutting down 1 station for 4 days, even though it was behind, to do what few are willing to do, rebuild from the inside out. Operators weren't told what to fix, they were asked what they would fix. The ones living the problems became the ones solving them, as well as a cross-functional team to support them. That's where 3 cross-functional sub-teams were born. Each tackled a time bucket. They documented current state, walked the line, spoke to peers, measured what mattered. They learned 8-step problem-solving method while applying effective visual management and installing standardized work. By the end of the workshop, the line looked completely different. But more importantly, the people thought differently. There was a mindset change. Ownership was visible, and pride had returned and been restored. The changes were immediate, but the outcomes were exponential. Within 10 days, the team slashed hours from the cycle time, a 30% improvement. Operators were working smarter, not longer and harder. Information and materials were at the point of use. Rework was down. Communication was visible. Issues were solved on-site at that point of occurrence. And the biggest win, the line hit its goal. 1 unit out every day. Not in a year, not in a quarter, but in a few months. All while reducing burnout, increasing pride, and creating a repeatable, teachable system. True transformation isn't about one result, it's about building momentum that sustains itself. Now sure, the team definitely had its own challenges, but they continued to work hard at that plan and continued to prove every day. So what can you take away from this case study? Here are 3 tactics you can use today. Fix the system, not the people. Install alignment, visual management, and a blame-free problem solving to foster real improvement. Focus on processes, not personalities. Teach, don't tell. When people help design the system, they own the outcome. Empowerment drives execution. Create continuity through leadership standard work. Turnover is inevitable, but the standard leadership rhythm ensures stability and long-term gains. These aren't just strategies, they're survival tools in today's complex work environments. If this story sounds familiar, don't wait for burnout to come knocking on your door. Get ahead of the curve. Start with the Leadership Impact Assessment, a powerful tool that helps you see where alignment gaps might be. Or grab your copy of Sustained Business Growth Playbook at www.sustainedbusinessgrowth.com. Your guide to transforming systems, empowering leaders, and driving real results that last. Great leaders don't just meet expectation, they shift them, and it all starts with one decision. Thank you.